Hi, I'm Jason, and I've been demonstrating how Bose products work for almost 20 years. I'm also a musician, so I really care about sound. And I'm thrilled to have you experience our soundbars right here, right now, with the help of 3D audio. For this demo, make sure you put on some good quality headphones, like these.
At the end of their long journey, our colony of penguin chicks have reached the ocean. They peer over the edge, waiting for the right moment, anticipating the dangers that await. Until finally, one of them jumps, which inspires the others to follow. A clumsy cascade of juvenile penguins falling into the sea, fulfilling their destiny. This leap of faith behind them, the next leg of their journey begins. A 5 to 6 year stay at sea before returning to their original colony to start the life cycle all over again.
DTS Virtual X for Soundbar. DTS Virtual X adds height and surround audio to your entertainment, delivering sound all around you. DTS Virtual X works with multiple soundbar configurations, delivering enhanced immersion, richer bass, and clearer dialogue. You can fill the room with amazing sound with DTS Virtual X.
Experience the convenience of Alexa built into your Bose speakers and soundbars. Setting up Alexa is easy. Let's walk through the steps now. We'll be using a Bose portable smart speaker and Bose Smart Soundbar 900, but the process is the same for connecting Alexa to any Alexa built-in Bose device. Just make sure you've downloaded the Bose Music app and connected your speakers or soundbar before following these steps. Open the Bose Music app and select your device. Tap the settings icon, select Voice Assistant, and choose Alexa. Then follow the instructions on screen to log into your Amazon account. Now you're ready to experience the convenience of Alexa built-in. Say, Alexa, what can you do?
I'm glad you asked. I can help with morning activities, relaxation, education, entertainment, and more. Which would you like to explore?
Use the Amazon Alexa app to link your music accounts, learn new features, set routines, and much more. Look for the Alexa built-in logo on Bose devices today.